In this video, we will learn how to install the current Eclipse version on Windows 11. So, let's start the video. For Eclipse, we don't need Java now because Eclipse already comes with the Java support pre-installed. We can directly download and install Eclipse without any extra setup. Go to the browser. On Google, type Eclipse download and press enter. On pressing enter, you will see the official website. Click on it. It directly reaches the download section. Or you can go to the eclipse.org official website and here click download. So we will reach the same location after clicking here. Click the download button. Here two versions are available. So I will click the first one to download the current Eclipse version. Here the download mirrors are visible. Click the download button. Now the download is started. Let's wait. It only takes 159 MB. Alright, we have downloaded the exe file. Right click on the file and click open to begin the installation. Now minimize this page. Here you can see different versions are visible. Eclipse for Java, Eclipse for C, C++ and for others. We want for Java. So for now, I will click Eclipse IDE for Java. After clicking here, you can see it automatically took the Java version. It is providing us with the Java version. You can click here and go for the current one provided by Eclipse itself. Alright, our Eclipse will get installed in the following location. Keep it as it is. It will also create a start menu as well as desktop shortcut. Click install, accept the agreement, click accept now. Now installation will start. Let's wait. Alright, we have installed Eclipse and the desktop shortcut is also visible. When I'll click launch, it will launch. Now Eclipse will open for the first time. First you need to select a workspace. So the workspace is a place where your project files, plugins as well as the other resources will get saved. You can keep this default. Set it as default or else you need to fill this box again and again. Click use this as the default and click launch. In my case, I will browse and select a specific file and then click launch. Eclipse open for the first time. You can directly click create a new Java project from here. Or you can go to file, click new, click the Java project. Or from this icon, click this icon, click Java project. Here I will add a name to my project. Let's say PSA. Alright, use and execute environment. It took it on its own, that is Java 21. Now click on next. Click finish. Now our project has been created. Alright, I will right click on my project, click new and create a new class file. It will ask us for the file name. So I'll name it demo. I'll go for public static void main basic example. Now package. Add a package. A package can include multiple classes. Click finish. Now our demo.java file is visible under the com.std package. Remember, the file name demo.java should be equivalent to the class name, else there will be an error. Alright, let us print something. To print in Java, we use system.out.println. Here I will print my name. So whatever we add inside this will get printed. So the output will be Farhan. I'll go to the file, click save. Now I will right click and select run as and click Java application. Alright, now our output is visible. Farhan. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope this tutorial helped you. I am a computer science engineer and on this channel I regularly upload videos related to programming, Java, web development, software tutorials and tech projects in a simple beginner friendly way. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.